everyone, welcome to Zontech Digital, an online learning platform. I hope you all are doing very well. So today I am here to tell you that Zontech has recently launched a new online test series for RSAB JEE 2021, especially for electrical students. This test series is designed by a subject expert as per the latest exam pattern and latest syllabus. We have considered three factors for this test series. First one is research. We have done a thorough research to design this online test series, especially for electrical students, as I told you above earlier. Secondly, focus. We have focused on the latest exam pattern and latest exam syllabus trend. Third, result. When you will prepare with this test series, you will get the result by yourself. In this test series, we are providing some of the features. Firstly, this is the newly designed RSAB JEE exam 2021 test series for electrical students. Secondly, you can boost your preparation with total 10 quality tests. Thirdly, we are covering complete syllabus as per the latest exam pattern. And last, we are providing technical and non-technical questions both in English languages. So, this is the exam test pattern for your OTS. In electrical syllabus, there will be 60 questions, each of 2 marks, and in non-technical syllabus, there will be 80 questions, each of 1 marks. You can have a look on the subjects in non-technical, that is Rajasthan GK, Maths, General Science, Hindi, English and Reasoning will be covered. This is the list of 10 test papers. Each paper will contain 140 questions of 200 marks and each will be completed in 120 minutes, and there will be negative marking of 1/4 mark for each wrong answer. So guys, as Zontech is providing you the opportunity to enhance your skill, then do grab this opportunity and boost your preparation. Finally, enroll yourself now by visiting this website, or you can contact us on these 2 numbers, or you can download our application by scanning this QR code. And if you have any questions regarding the same, you can contact us on this number, or you can visit our website, or you can write to us at this email address. Thank you so much guys.